Hello everyone. Today I'm going to pot an amaryllis. This wonderful large bulb has just arrived in the post, absolutely full of potential. The roots look a bit dead, but absolutely they're still alive. You can see this lovely green here which shows all the potential. Amaryllis bulbs, the bigger they are, the more stems you tend to get from them. So don't skimp when you buy them. Get them in all colours, not just the whites and the reds, but a whole range. You can pot them anytime in the autumn. I'm doing mine now, but had I done it sooner, I might have had one ready for Christmas. This one's destined to be a gift for somebody, so I'm doing it now so I can give them a lovely growing gift at Christmas. You need a pot that's just a little bit bigger than the bulb. Plenty of root space at the bottom, and all importantly, good drainage. Amaryllis do not like to sit wet, so make sure you've got drainage, not too large a pot. I'm using Silver Grow multi-purpose, which is a lovely free draining. It was the first Silver Grow that we introduced onto the range. It's very much based on a professional product that growers throughout the UK are using. I'm just going to place a little bit in the bottom. One of the features of Silver Grow, very free flowing, so it makes it very easy when I'm going to sit the bulb in there to get the compost around the roots. I'm just going to spread them out a little. There's various advice on how much of the bulb you should leave above the compost. Some people say leave 2/3 of the bulb above the compost. Other people say just leave 1/3. I'm going to go for a happy medium and try and get it so that about half of the bulb is actually above the surface of the compost. If you just give it all a little shake as you're popping it in there, you'll find that it'll sit quite nicely. As it grows, the top is going to get quite big and heavy, so do choose a pot that's got some weight about it, and just consolidate the compost as you go along, and then you'll find you've got a very nicely potted bulb, lots of potential. Now I'm just actually going to finish it off with a bit of our Melcourt coarse grit, which is just going to make it look rather nicely finished off. Just try and keep it upright. It'll right itself if you're not quite on the vertical. Again, just a little bit of consolidation. Now this is an indoor bulb. Absolutely needs to be kept indoors now, preferably around 20 degrees in your sunniest spot. Before I do that, I'll just water it. Be very careful not to let it sit in too much water, because it really wouldn't thrive well with that. But that, in about 2.5 months, about 10 to 12 weeks, this will be in beautiful flower. This one is Amaryllis Relona, so it's a sort of orange colour. As I said before, whites through the oranges and the reds, all the different colours are available, and that is a very easy Christmas present or a present to yourself for a few weeks' time.